I going to electronics, and then I'm gonna see that what do we have here. I hope. I guess there's some big TV. There's some speaker boy. The electric fan. Okay, I think that's it. Hold on. What was this? There you go. Speaker and a TV. Hold on. Oh, great. Nah, bruh. And then now we have. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it and I'll be quick. Okay, so we're gonna go here right now. Go back to the shopping cart, I guess. Perfect. Save more. Yeah, like.
Ano ang ginawa mo? Nag-vlog ka?
Yep, getting a vlog showing them like a TV and what a TV. I'm showing. I was going to electronics and then I'm doing a vlog, so I don't know how cost. I hope not too much. Alright, so if we're done, we are going to the potato corner. We're gonna go to the fry shop booth. Okay. Man, a fan here. Shout out Angeline. Best vlog. Oh man, a new fan here. A new fan too. Someone have a biggest fan. Everyone has to subscribe to me. But I hope someone is supporting me, dude. Oh yes. Guess what? A slide. We slide. Okay, this is my grandma. Hi. Yep, that was my grandma, and my parents are home, so it means we're going to the potato corner, and let's go. Yep, time to get some french fries. Okay, gotta pause it again. We're done. Whoop. Okay, we're going to potato corner, bro. Yep, I want the potato corner now. Yes. Oh, yummy. Now to wait in line. I actually want cheese like from the falling right here. This one. Hello, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see what do I got. Ooh.